that's stupid. But go ahead, let's do it. I mean, I don't even need to look at it. If he want to keep paying for drug tests through April, if he want to keep going to drug tests through April, then let's go. No, well, stop shaking your head and things and such then. And let's do the case. I don't come on here to play games. Now, Judge Baltimore signed the order in my absence. I wasn't here. He didn't have the hearing. All right, this is case number 184609601, the People versus Kenneth Raymond Floyd. Defendant is charged with operating while intoxicated. Today is the date set for review. Ms. Hall.
Rakedia Hall on behalf of Kenneth Floyd. Sir, may you unmute yourself and state your full name for the record?
Kenneth Floyd.
And what's your middle name, Mr. Floyd?
Kenneth Raymond Floyd.
Thank you. Today is the day set for review, and apparently Mr. Floyd has been assigned a new probation officer who is not present today, and I did not receive an update from Ms. Bryson. However, let's see if the register is going to tell me something. So until Mr. Flanagan is going to send me the register of action, but Ms. Hall, Mr. Floyd, can you come into the screen, sir?
Oh, yeah. Okay, there we go.
Okay, thank you. Ms. Hall?
Your Honor, it's my understanding that Mr. Floyd has actually completed all of the requirements imposed by this court to complete probation.
Let's see. Mr. Flanagan.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you receive a request for a probation discharge on Mr. Floyd?
No, Your Honor.
Then perhaps probation doesn't agree with the assessment that he has completed the terms and conditions of the probation. But let's try. Mr. Flanagan, I know I told you don't worry about calling Mr. Farmer back, but can you try?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, let's see. Maybe there's something that they have that will help us. So it looks like Mr. Floyd was placed on probation by me back in April of 2023. He was ordered to complete the victim's impact panel, watch the consequences video, attend the alcohol highway safety. He was ordered to submit to urinalysis and pay $11.30. So, whoops. First of all, let's see. So he does have a zero balance according to the Register of Action. I'm having a hard time with Mr. Floyd's camera angle. I'm having a hard time with it. All right, so we're going to try to see if we can confirm that he completed the terms and conditions of the probation, so he doesn't have to come back. If he has, he would have completed over half of the probationary period. So let's see if I can get a response from Mr. Farmer. Oh, order for. I hate when I don't. Okay, try to call Mr. Schiatti. Try to call Mr. Schiatti for me and see if he can either if he can find Mr. Farmer or look for it. And then hold on a pair of seconds. Hold on 1 second.
Well, let me read the case number.
Oh, no, that's fine if they're gonna do it. Thank you. Okay.
Okay.
So let's just wait a moment, for the call back from Mr. Farmer. Ms. Hall, you're not ready on Boyd. Are you ready on Boyd?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, okay. Well, then let's switch over to Boyd. This is case number 214433001, the People versus Brian O'Neill Boyd. Defendant is charged with operating with a high BAC, driver with open intoxicant in a motor vehicle. Today is the date set for a final pretrial conference. Appearances, please.
For the record, Your Honor, Christina Ritter on behalf of the people.
Rakidia Hall on behalf of Brian Boyd. Sir, may you unmute yourself and state your full name for the record? You're muted.
I got it. Brian O'Neill Boyd.
You're muted, Judge.
Today is the date set for final pretrial conference. How are we proceeding?
Mr. Boyd would like to continue his not guilty plea and set this matter for a for a jury trial.
The court continues a not guilty plea on behalf of Mr. Brian Boyd, set the matter for jury trial. Mr. Flanagan, can you go to August 26th, please?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do I have any?
Nothing on that day.
All right, the court is going to set the matter for August the 26th, with the final pretrial conference, August the 16th at 9:10. Anything further?
No, thank you, Your Honor.
Nothing further for Mr. Boyd.
All right then, Mr. Boyd, you're all set. Have a great day. Stay safe, and I'll see you August the 16th at 9:10 on Zoom.
Okay. Have a great day.
All right, thank you.
Bye.
All right, with respect to Mr. Floyd, Mr. Farmer is looking up the notes, so I should have an answer shortly, and we'll see if probation agrees with Mr. Floyd that he has completed the terms and conditions. So let's go on a couple of few minute break, and I'll see if Mr. Farmer can pull up those notes, okay?
Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. All right, we're back on the record with Mr. Floyd, and I did receive something from probation. Let's see here. According to Mr. Farmer, Mr. Floyd did not do the victim's impact panel, and he has failed to test several times for the last several months. That's what Ms. Stevenson, maybe you should put your appearance on since Ms. Hall was the one doing it before.
Okay. For the record, Your Honor, Janice Stevenson appearing on behalf of Mr. Kenneth Floyd.
All right. So Ms. Hall said that Mr. Floyd said that he had completed. Mr. Floyd, please sit up for court. Just sit up straight for court for me. That Mr. Floyd said he had completed all the terms and conditions. So I hunted down probation. His probation officer is Ms. Bryson, but she's not here today. So Mr. Farmer sent the court an update indicating that what did I just do with the update? Hold on. Indicating that Mr. Floyd still needs to complete the victim's impact panel, and he has failed to test for several months, and they say they submitted a violation to me, but I don't, when I put this in my search engine, I didn't see any violation requests submitted, but they said they submitted a violation previously. So did you all need to speak to Mr. Floyd about the fact that he is failing to test on an OWI case, and his failure to test means that he's tested positive on however many times he did not test, and that is a violation of his probation?
Yes, I would.
Go ahead.
Yes, I would like an opportunity to talk with Mr. Floyd, Your Honor. But so does the court have a violation, or?
I didn't see it when I Googled, it wasn't Google. When I searched my email, I didn't see it. Mr. Flanagan, is there a request in the file for a violation?
Yes, Your Honor, signed by Judge Baltimore.
Oh, see, it wasn't signed. I didn't know anything about it. When was he supposed to come for violation? It doesn't say it on the docket. What court date was set for the violation?
It was set for December 5th.
Oh, I still wasn't here. So what happened on December 5th?
And on December 5th, Judge Austin Garrett scheduled it for today.
Oh, it's not reflected on the docket for today. It just says review. So apparently violation was supposed to be today, but it doesn't say violation hearing today. Okay, so he can go back to the breakout room, but
Okay, so the alleged violation is failure to test.
Mr. Flanagan, can you send it to me and Ms. Stevenson?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right.
Thank you. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, we're back on the record with case number 1-846-09601, the People versus Kenneth Raymond Floyd. Okay, so I have had an opportunity also to look at the initial request for the probation violation signed by Judge Baltimore. And it said that the defendant had stopped submitting to, wait a minute, what's this? What is this y'all just sent me, Mr. Flanagan?
That's to counter the violation.
Okay. So the original violation indicated that Mr. Floyd had stopped submitting to urinalysis, and had failed to provide proof of the alcohol safety class and the victim's impact panel, and that he has failed to report to probation. So, Ms. Stevenson.
So just to the emails that he could put his hands on quickly, Your Honor, show that that that's not quite correct. We do have communications direct. Mr. Floyd advised me that he has been calling the probation department. He had been calling and not getting any response. And so my suggestion to him was that he stop calling and start emailing. And he did that. The court has two of the emails that he sent in January to Ms. Bryson as well as to Mr. Farmer. I think the court does have the email showing proof of having completed the alcohol highway safety education course. He emailed that directly, I think, to Mr. Farmer, also completed the victim's impact panel. And then even though he wasn't supposed to do this, according to Mr. Floyd, the drug testing agency told him they didn't want him sending that stuff, that they had to send it. And he's like, no, I need to get this directly to my probation officer myself because they're saying I don't do these tests. So he emailed those receipts of tests to Mr. Farmer. And I think he has some more, but just for the sake of, getting to this hearing, Mr. Floyd wants the court to know that that is part of the proof of that he has done what he knows how to do to contact the probation department by telephone, and finally by email. And he has been going to urinalysis, and he did those counseling sessions, Your Honor, and provided proof of that to the probation department.
So, Mr. Flanagan, don't send that to me. Send that to Mr. Farmer.
Okay.
I'm not going to confirm anything in those emails.
I just wanted to, I didn't want to have any ex parte communication with the court, which is why I sent it to Mr. Clerk, Your Honor.
Mm-hmm. So who was his probation officer? So all of a sudden they stopped communicating with him?
So that's part of the issue. He says that somehow he was able to find out that he should be with Mr. Farmer, possibly. And then he found out somehow that he should maybe be with Ms. Bryson. He said there's a third probation officer. Okay, Mr. Floyd, just relax. That's part of the issue, is he has not known who his probation officer is, Your Honor.
I mean, that's not the issue. He was with Mr. Farmer. And then Mr. Farmer got promoted. It ain't no big mystery. He was with Mr. Farmer. Mr. Farmer got promoted. He got assigned to somebody else. It's not a big mystery.
But he says that there was another officer before Mr. Farmer.
Well, let's not act like this is not a 2018 case.
Yes.
Okay, so it's a 2018 case, and there is a possibility that he has had more than one probation officer because this is a 2018 case. So what we know is that his last probation officer got promoted to supervisor. That was Mr. Farmer. And then Mr. Farmer apparently must have assigned it to Miss Bryson. And so now it's Miss Bryson. What I'm struggling with at this particular moment is the fact that Mr. Floyd just seems like he can't sit up straight for court. That's what I'm struggling with at this moment. So it looks like he has proof of some things that may have gone to Mr. Farmer, but should have gone to Miss Bryson because of the switch. I'm sure that as supervisor, Mr. Farmer is getting many more emails than he used to get. That's not an excuse for him not to have responded. So what we're going to do is Mr. Flanagan is going to submit those emails that you sent to me. Now, what you said, Ms. Stevenson, was that those are not all of the emails that he has, all of the receipts. So what I suggest that we just adjourn for a week. Ms. Bryson may have those things in her email. I don't know, but what I want to see is whether or not he has been submitting to the urinalysis, that he was submitting to the urinalysis at the time that Judge Baltimore originally signed for the probation violation order. Now he's almost up to his year, and they kept adjourning it, waiting on me to come. I guess nobody wanted to do it themselves. So I'll be satisfied and discharge him if those receipts are verified by Mr. Farmer or Ms. Bryson, and then we can go ahead and discharge him from probation. So we want to just adjourn it for a week? Because I don't know how long. He said he don't want to adjourn it for a week. Let's adjourn it till April.
That's actually, I think, what he was saying at this point. Just let it continue to the end because he kind of keeps coming back.
Okay, well then, I mean, well, that's stupid, but go ahead, let's do it. I mean, I don't even need to look at it. If he want to keep paying for drug tests through April, if he want to keep going to drug tests through April, then let's go. No, well, stop shaking your head and things and such then. And let's do the case. You know, I don't come on here to play games. Now, Judge Baltimore signed the order in my absence. I wasn't here. He didn't have the hearing. Otherwise, I wouldn't have. I said it. Y'all don't pay attention half sometimes. Okay, I said it. Miss Bryson is not here. She's not here today.
Okay.
I don't know when she's coming back. I assume she might be on a week's vacation, as every person is entitled to who works a job. That's why I said adjourn it for 1 week.
Okay.
But we don't have
just
to.
looking at how
Mr.
long is the
Flanagan,
testing
what's
been
the
going
final
on?
review date?
April 10th.
We can adjourn it to April 10th, so nobody has to keep coming back.
So could we look at it in a week, Judge? I mean, he has been, initially it was charged with the high BAC. So as a bond condition, he's been testing for over a year now. And I don't know that I've seen any violations.
This is what's bothering me, and I'm just going to let you know what's bothering me.
Yes, Your Honor.
When I said adjourn it to a week, nobody wanted to adjourn it to a week, right? When I was going to squeeze Mr. Floyd in, he was shaking his head no. And then you said, well, he just prefer to come in April. Now I said in April, now everybody want me to adjourn it for a week.
Could we have a week, please, Judge?
Let's just have a week. Let's come back next week and we'll see what Ms. Bryson has to say.
Okay.
Let's come back next Monday at the same time. Anything further?
Nothing on behalf of Mr. Floyd. Thank you.